Okay, today we're heading out to Arlington Heights to go meet up with John from US Shelter Homes. They just completed a home there, and we're gonna go check it out. Okay, we're here. Let's get inside. Hey John, how's it going?
Good, how you doing, Sean?
Very good.
Thanks for coming.
So you have a newly completed house here, right?
So we're here in Arlington Heights, brand new home, roughly 3,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. We have a split entry foyer with a den, office, flex space off of the foyer, coffered ceiling details, dining room off to the right-hand side, nice 2-story foyer for the volume feel, and open light, open air concept for the stairs, and kind of a grand entryway. Here we're back in the family room. We have a energy efficient heat and glow fireplace, so it's a flip switch. You don't have any of the odors from a flue, and highly efficient. It blows a lot of heat into the room. 9-foot ceilings, 6-foot windows, double hung windows, so they operate top down, bottom up. They're an Anderson branded window. 7.25 inch base with site finished oak wood floors throughout, red oak.
Oh, this is beautiful how it's all wood all throughout this main level.
Correct.
Gorgeous.
Thank you. So we have a Kohler farm sink here, the apron cast iron Kohler sink, a nice window ledge for planters or pictures with the box window detail. It gives the back elevation a nice break up, a nice look. Cabinetry, it's all panel plus uppers with the soft closed, slow closed doors. We have the light rail with under cabinet lighting, 3x6 subway tile, a minuet style quartz countertop, so there's very little maintenance, nothing you need to do as far as sealing or whatnot.
John, this is an enormous kitchen. I mean, what's the size of this?
Roughly 20 by 20 feet, give or take. It is a nice sized kitchen. It's, you know, it gives lots of passageway through. You can still be in the refrigerator and have people walking around you, moving around you. There's plenty of countertop space for working and lots of cabinet storage.
Great for entertaining.
Yeah, great for, and then up here in the mudroom, we have a full pantry as well for, you know, for storage. Your utility sink, so you come off the garage with pets or, you know, some project off the garage, you get a nice little landing zone here for, you know, utilities. Kind of a built-in boot bench where you put hats or boots or something, sit there to get your shoes on for the day, and coat closet with a little drop landing zone here. So this will be a chalkboard in here. We just don't have it yet, but
oh, that's nice.
Key drop and details like that right off the drop.
And so this is obviously the master.
Yes, volume ceiling up to 10 feet. We have the can lights, the ceiling fan, double door entry, which could be restricted down to 1 if a buyer so chooses, with your 2-panel solid core doors that you see throughout the home. Huge master closet, kind of off of a little recessed hall here, with some built-in shelving, some built-in cabinetry, and then double hanging wire closets.
This is enormous, this closet here.
In the master, they're not on now because it's 80 degrees out, but we have heated floors, his and her sinks, the framed vanity mirrors, and this is a Kohler freestanding soaking tub, which is kind of becomes the focal point of the bathroom. So this is a quartz countertop here. I believe this is called Everest. We have the dovetail construction, it glides underneath, soft close. It's got the stone finish cabinetry here with doors that are the same, the slow close, soft touch. So
yeah, it's a beautiful setup and a great color scheme.
Yep, lots of room.
Okay, that's it for today's tour. Again, thanks to John for coming out and doing the video with me. I think it's a lot more information for you in the video. So thanks, John. And if you are interested in this home, it's located in Arlington Heights. The address is 1715 Mitchell Avenue. I'll put a link below so you can learn more information about it. Again, US Shelter Homes. Thanks, John, for doing the tour with me. See you next week.